learn how to use and then record actions. So we're going to open our palette here, make sure we have our layers as always, and we're going to work with our actions as well. I guess they got shoved off to the side here. My dual monitors sometimes confuse Photoshop. All right, so as you can see, we have a single layer. Actions are designed to put together a bunch of steps in one essentially clickable button. So this vignetting tool here does a lot of different things, and you can do it just by selecting it and pressing play. Okay, we're going to do a simpler one here. We're just going to use the sepia toning. I'm going to unlock this layer to make sure it allows it, and I'm just going to play that action, and you see that it goes through all of those things, and I now have a sepia layer. So all of that happened in that simple bit of time. So that's how we run actions. What is powerful is that you can later, you will learn to automate and go to batch, and you'll be able to have Photoshop do all of those actions in an entire folder at one time. So, and you can also, what we're going to work on today is create your own actions. So I am going to actually just use my good buddy Control-Z and get her back to there and show you how to record an action. So here we are ready to record our action for watermarking. Up here I have created a watermark in a separate file, so we will be using that. All right, so first thing we're going to do is go up here and select new action. And I'm going to name it watermark, since that's what it's going to do for me. And I'm going to put it not in a default section, but in my own section. And I'm going to click record. So now it's going to track everything I do. So all I am going to do is switch over here. Command A would set that. Command C is going to copy. I'm going to bounce back over to my photo, hit Command V, and I forgot to use transparency, but that doesn't really hurt this demo. I'm going to place it down in the bottom right, and then I'm going to choose that layer. I'm going to go up here, and I am going to reduce my opacity to 20%. Okay, or maybe 30. And then I'm simply going to stop recording that action. All right, so now if I want to go back to the point where this doesn't have a watermark, I click on it, I press play, and it runs me through. So that is a very simple way you record actions to save yourself some time.